In this lesson we're going to look at more equations with more than one fraction in it, just to practice it a bit more. So let's look at this first one here. So we've got a denominator of 2 and a denominator of 3. So the lowest common multiple of 3 and 2 is 6. You can get that by doing 3 times 2. So times everything by 6, times this by 6, and remember to times that by 6 again. So 2/3 times 6, do 6 divided by 3, which is 2, and then double it. So that's going to be 4. And half 6, that's just 3. And 2 times 6, that's 12. And now we just have a normal equation. So take away 3 from both sides. So we've got 4x equals 9. And then divide by 4 both sides. So 9 over 4. And change it into a mixed number. How many 4's go into 9? 2 remainder 1. 2 and 1/4. Okay, in this next one, let's look at the denominators. Again, to eliminate the fractions, what we want to do is find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3. You can get that from doing 5 times 3, which is 15. So times that by 15, this by 15, and also the 2 by 15. So again, 3/5 of 15, do 15 divided by 5 to get 1/5, and that's 3. And then times by the top number. So 3 times 3 is 9. So it's going to give you 9x. 1/3 of 15, that's just 15 divided by 3, so that's 5. And 2 lots of 15 is 30. So just a normal equation, take away 5 from both sides. So 9x is equal to 25. Divide both sides by 9 to get 1x, that's 25 over 9. And then change it into a mixed number. So how many 9's go into 25? Well, 2 9's are 18 with a remainder of 7. So it's going to be 2 and 7/9. Okay, we'll look at one more example. So we've got this equation here with 2 fractions in it. So same principles apply. Look at the denominators and think what the lowest common multiple is. So the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is just 2 times 3, which is 6. So times this by 6, this by 6, this by 6, and this by 6. Every single term needs to be multiplied to keep the equation balanced. So a half of 6, that's 3. 6 times 1 is just 6. 1/3 of 6, which is 2, that's 2x, and 3 6's are 18 at the end. So my technique is to get rid of this 2x. I don't mind if you take away the 6 from both sides first. I'm going to take away the 2x from both sides. So 3 take away 2 is 1x, so we've got 1x plus 6 equals, they'll cancel out, so just 18. Take away the 6 from both sides, so you're going to get x equals 12, and we're finished. And you can check to see if it works. Put 12 back in. A half of 12 is 6 plus 1, so that side comes to 7. And 1/3 of 12 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7.